Alright, so for the first winter exploration video from the sky, I'm going to be doing the State Hospital's Hippie tree and the following trails. It's kind of the pain in the ass to get to, but you know, because I don't have any boots on, so it's making it a little bit of a pain to get up. Anyways, let's head on up to the skies once we get there. So we've made it to the Traverse City State Hospital's Hippie tree in Traverse City, Michigan, obviously. And as you can tell, it is winter time. It is the daytime. It's kind of windy, but it's not too windy, so it's just fine. Obviously, the higher we go up, the windier it's going to get. So it's probably not going to be the most perfect stable of gimbal control, but that's fine. We're just getting kind of the aerial overview in this shot. And of course, I'm also going to include the summer view at some point in time in this video. At the end, I'll do a side-by-side comparison so you can see the dramatic difference that happens between summer and winter. hippie tree from above, sky high in the winter. Pretty interesting perspective and a lot different from the days of the summer when it was nice and green and them sexy blue skies. But overall though, I still think it's pretty cool. You get to see it from winter, summer, both in the daytime, and you don't get to see that every day. Because before drones, you would have to have a helicopter or a plane or something of that sort to get up there to see it from that view. So that's what fascinates me the most about this drone, is I can finally get sky views of anywhere I want, you know. So off to the next, we go to the Traverse City State Hospital, sky view, wintertime.